Your phone is burning a hole in your pocket, literally. But before you throw it in the fridge, you need to know why it's actually screaming for help. Most people think it's just too many apps, but the truth is way more technical and a little bit scary. It's not just your TikTok habit. Your phone is a tiny computer with zero fans. It uses passive cooling, basically dumping heat into its own frame. The weirdest reason it's hot: bad signal. If you have 1 bar of service, your phone cranks the radio power to the max just to stay connected. It's like running a marathon while holding your breath. Also, check your background app refresh. If your phone is hot while sitting idle on a table, it's likely indexing, basically reorganizing its entire brain after a software update. It's working, even when you aren't. But is it dangerous? Can it actually explode? Short answer: extremely unlikely, but technically yes. Modern phones have thermal throttling. When they hit about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius, they slow themselves down. If they get hotter, they just shut off. The real danger isn't the heat itself, it's thermal runaway. This only happens if the battery is physically damaged or has a manufacturing defect. If your phone feels hot and looks puffy or swollen, run. That's gas trapped inside, and that is a fire waiting to happen. 3 quick fixes you haven't heard. 1. Ditch the case. Most cases are basically winter coats for electronics. 2. Stop fast charging in the car. Navigating plus sunlight plus fast charging equals battery suicide. 3. The marble trick. If it's overheating, put it on a cold stone countertop or a metal table. These act as a heat sink and suck the thermal energy right out.